As an attorney, there's no better feeling than succeeding in a case where the client has been told no multiple times already. Whether it's the judge who won't grant their motions or their prior attorney who has told them that they don't have a case, when we can come into a situation and get it resolved favorably for the client, there is no greater feeling than seeing the look on their face after we have succeeded. There is a moment when it becomes real, when you realize that the situation is not going to resolve on its own. The marriage, the custody situation, and the financial future that you thought were all settled are now in question. And you start carrying it everywhere, to work, to the dinner table, and to bed at night. It's the first thing that you think about when you wake up in the morning, and the last thing that you think about before you fall asleep. Most people who walk through our door have been carrying this around alone for a long time, reading things online at night, getting advice from everyone they know, and trying to figure out what they're even about to face. The first thing that we do is we sit down together. We listen to our client's life story. We hear about what is going on with their children and what is happening with their finances. We talk about what it is that they're afraid of, what they need their life to look like when this is all over. And then we start building together. We figure out what their goals are and we map out the path to get there. Something shifts in that room. They've walked through carrying this alone. They're not alone anymore. A lot of people come into our office thinking that they need the most aggressive attorney that they can find. And we hear that word a lot, aggressive. In our experience, aggressive means counterproductive and very expensive. It creates conflict where strategy would be more effective. Our approach is different. We stay ahead of problems before they become emergencies. We build a plan around our clients' actual goals, not around just creating noise. We are strategic, goal-oriented, and cost-conscious. That gets better results than pounding a table ever will. We focus on the most complex cases in family law, high conflict custody, significant assets, and enforcement actions. We chose that work deliberately because that's where preparation and practice make the biggest difference. And we wanted to be the team that does that work at the highest level. Every attorney on a case is involved. We talk through strategy together. We challenge each other's thinking. We prepare for what the other side will do before they do it. Our clients feel that. They feel it in the updates, in the level of detail, in the fact that when they pick up the phone, we already know where their case stands because we have been working it actively, consistently. By the time we walk into a courtroom, we've already done the work that matters the most, and our clients know that, and so does everyone else in the room.
You know, I was really terrified when I first called because I didn't know what was going to happen to my kids, to my home, to my finances, really to any of it. And then I met this team and something really changed for me because I felt like someone finally understood what I was going through and really knew exactly what to do. So honestly, if I can go back and tell myself one thing, it would have been to call them sooner. Because I spent months trying to figure it out on my own, and once I met this team, I realized that I really did not ever have to do that. And the moment that they were involved, everything changed for me. Honestly, it felt like I could finally breathe again. And I just remember when it was all over, I remember sitting in my car and feeling this wave of relief, like I had my life back. And honestly, I knew it was because I had the right people fighting for me the entire time, and it made all of the difference. Truthfully, I would not be where I am today without them.
When someone walks through our door, they are usually right in the middle of the hardest chapter of their life, their home, their children. Everything feels uncertain. We cannot always make it easy, but we can make sure that they are supported, informed, and advised well through every step. And when it is over, they come out of it with their life intact, with a future that they can build on. That is what all of this work is for. We handle the fight. so that you can focus on the future.